Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, there's a update for Microsoft Edge. So, of course, this week we had a update for Google Chrome with the browser fixing several high-severity security fixes. Well, now it's turn of Microsoft Edge to do the same. For those that are on Opera and on Brave, apparently it's already also fixed, so check your updates. Make sure you're at the latest version. The browser is your first security, so it's important to check it out. So go onto the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots. Go into Help and Feedback about Microsoft Edge, and just make sure that you're at 105.0.1343.42. As I said, it's important. These are security updates. They're the same security updates that were in the Google Chrome browser because it is Chromium based. So several high severity security flaws that can easily be exploited by bad guys. No 0-day or no flaw that is exploited already in the wild. So of course Google always keeps low profile. It will eventually give more details. It always waits a few weeks to really give the details of the flaws because it wants everybody to move on to the latest browser to make sure that they stay secure. So Microsoft Edge, 2 days later, has finally updated its browser. So check it out, as this, once again, is your first line of defense. Make sure that your browser is up to date. It's very important. It's the number one security feature of any computer, any device. Having the software up to date. Then you have, of course, what you do when you go on the internet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.